It's often said, turn your face towards the sun and let the shadow fall behind. What am I talking about? I'm talking about another part to fitness, which is performing the Surya Namaskar. Now, doing Surya Namaskar helps you lose weight and increases your metabolism. To take us through all the steps of Surya Namaskar, we have with us yoga instructor Rohini Manohar. So let's go.
Now, the Surya Namaskar is the most easiest set of asanas to keep you healthy, both strong and flexible. And so that's what we're going to do now. Engage your biceps, slowly bend those elbows and come down into a Chaturanga Dandasana, or also the yogic low push-up. From here, slide your chest forwards, lengthening through the spine, elongating it, and rolling over your toes, coming into an Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, or the upward facing dog. Gently, from there, curl your toes, lift the knees up and off the floor, and lifting your hips sky high, coming into a downward facing dog. Rest here, catch your breath. Just slowly step both your feet forwards. On the next inhale, look forwards. And on the exhale, bring your head closer to the knees. Inhale, reach your hands up all the way to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands to heart center. This is the Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. Again, so inhale, reach your hands up to the sky. Exhale, hands come all the way back down. Inhale, spine is super straight, like I can serve hot tea on it. Exhale, forward fold and step your legs back to the edge of the mat. Suck that belly in, shift the weight forwards and take a low push-up, the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, slide the chest up, opening into a Bhujangasana. Gently from there, curl your toes, lift the knees and take that Adho Mukha Svanasana, or that downward facing dog, letting everything go. When you're ready, look forward, step your feet. That's it, halfway lift, head coming closer to the knees. Hands rising up to the sky and bringing your hands right back to heart center. If we can practice the Surya Namaskar at least 3 to 6 times every day, as I've said before, it's a great way to strengthen and lengthen your body. It works both on building muscle and also on losing fat. Plus, it works on an internal and external effect. That means the internal organs get detoxed as the external muscles and bones get stronger. Practice this ideally on an empty stomach to feel your very, very best. Remember, if this gets too much, take a pause, drink some water, and try it again. This is Balasana, or Child's Pose. It's a great way to rest and relax if the asana gets too challenging. And also a nice way to slow down once you finish your practice.
So that was the Surya Namaskar routine that you should definitely try if you're trying to lose weight and if you're trying to increase your metabolism. A few things to watch out for: that if you've had any serious injury in the past, or if you're pregnant, you should consult your physician before trying this routine. And also, when you're doing these moves, make sure your posture is absolutely correct, or else you're good to go. It's a goodbye from my side.